Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Moya with Baddies in the Bag, and it's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to each and every one of you. Oh my god, yay. We live to see yet another Thanksgiving. How can we not be grateful? Let's go ahead and read a positive quote for this video before we get into things. And here is the positive quote for today. And today's positive quote is, she's got plans. And of course she does. I believe in a plan. I believe in being organized and everything. So get you a plan, work on it, stay consistent, watch your plan elevate into something else. So today I do want to show you guys what's going on for Black Friday. So for the day of Black Friday, which I should say starts today around 5 p.m. is when these items that I'm about to show you and the Black Friday bundle will be available on the website. Now there is a Black Friday bundle special. I'm going to show you guys what that bundle is. So the first thing that I want to show you guys, here we have the A6 binder inserts. Instead of you just putting random money into your categories, you get the chance to choose how much you want to put into each category. So these are the A6 binder inserts. We have the birthday fund. You get to choose how much you want it to be. So you'll just insert this into your birthday envelope. When it's finished, you can wipe it off and restart and change the amount that you want to put. We have birthdays, we have but first nails, we have household shopping. So these just go inside of your envelopes that you already have. So emergency fund, you can put this into your emergency envelope and be a little bit more organized with the saving. We have grocery shopping, so this can go into your grocery envelope. We have car maintenance, so this can go into your car maintenance envelope. Wax appointment, health fund for debt payments, and it starts back at birthday. Now these will be available single by themselves, or you can get the whole bundle. It's 9 pieces, so if you want the bundle, you can either order the whole bundle with 9 pieces, or you can order them single by themselves. Next up, we have the monthly saving challenge bundle, and this bundle is a scratch and save, but as y'all can see, it has the months on the side. So you have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. With this bundle, you are saving $1,300 for the year. Next up, we have the 4-piece tracker bundle. So we have a bill tracker, we have a debt tracker, we have an expense tracker, and we have a savings tracker. They are hole punched A6, so they go into your A6 binder. We have these cute foil dashboards. Y'all see the foil? It's gold foil, y'all. I'm in love. These are just dashboards that you can put inside of your binders just to add a little luxury look to them. Next up, we have the baddie dashboard, and this is also another dashboard that you can just drop inside of your binder. So this is the 1,500 placeholder, and they are just in a different style than the other ones. So these are also being added to the website. Next up, guess what we have? We have a new binder being added to the website, and this binder is the Boss Lady binder, and this is for all my ladies who have a business. All my small business owners, my Etsy sellers, Shopify sellers, whatever it is that you sell, we have the Boss Lady binder for you. It does come with a product inventory dashboard, and then it also comes with a monthly income tracker, so you can track your income every month. It comes with 6 challenges. We have the product restock card, we have expansion plans if you're planning to expand your business. Not if, you should be planning to expand. You have the emergency fund for your business, so this is a separate emergency fund from your emergency fund that you already have. We have the website expenses, we have tax preparations, we have equipment purchases, and it's back again to product restock. So we have 6 challenges along with 6 envelopes, a product inventory tracker, a monthly income tracker, and we have the dashboard. And this is the Boss Lady binder. So with the Black Friday bundle deal, the bundle includes every single thing that I just showed you guys. Every single thing. All these things that I just showed y'all, new stuff that I'm about to add to the website, are included into the bundle deal, along with the Bougie on a Budget binder. So the Bougie on a Budget binder is included in the Black Friday deal. You get the binder, envelopes, and challenges. We have designer challenges for my bougie girls. So we have the Gucci, we have the Balenciaga challenge, we have Chanel, we have Versace, we have Dior, and we have Louis. So for my bougie girls, this binder might be for you. And on top of that, you get to choose one other binder of your choice to go with your package, along with 3 saving challenge bundles. For the Black Friday deal, bundle deal, we have the Bougie on a Budget binder. This binder includes 6 challenges, a dashboard, 6 envelopes, and a binder. You get to choose another binder of your choice. Whatever other binder that you want to add, you can add another binder to your Black Friday bundle package. So the Black Friday bundle package includes 2 binders, one that's already made for the package and 1 binder of your choice. So you're going to get the placeholder bundle, you're going to get the baddie dashboard, you're going to get the 2-piece luxury gold foil dashboards, you're going to get the 9 pieces of inserts for your binder, you're going to get the 4-piece tracker bundle, you're going to get the monthly saving challenge scratch offs. On top of this, you get to choose 3 challenges of your choice from the saving challenge collection on the website. All up to you. It doesn't matter the price of the challenge, you get to choose 3. 2 binders, all this extra stuff, 3 extra challenges, and we're not done. You're going to get a money manifestation sheet. You're going to get a 2024 calendar. Along with that, you're going to get something that I don't sell on my website, a self-care bingo. So this is a bingo sheet. You try to bingo by doing the self-care challenges that are on there. On top of that, you're gonna get another little scratch me sheet. And on top of that, you're going to get the I Am a Millionaire Saving Challenge bundle, and this is a 3-piece set. Now this is the Black Friday bundle deal. All these items plus 3 saving challenges of your choice that you're going to pick off of the website. So include inside of the Black Friday bundle deal, you get 2 binders, you get 1, 2, 3, you get 3 challenges, 2 scratch off challenges, 1 regular. You get to pick another 3, so in total you're getting 6 saving challenge bundles, 2 binders. You're getting the 4-piece tracker bundle, so you're getting some trackers. You're getting the 9-piece inserts to enter into your envelopes. You're getting 3 dashboards. You're getting placeholders. You're getting a little self-care dig deck. You're getting the calendar, and you're getting a money manifestation. You have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 3 challenges make 16. So the Black Friday bundle deal includes 16 items. So in this package is 177.77 cents worth of items, and I am selling every single thing in one package for $94.99. So you're saving $82.78 on a whole package of stuff. So $94.99 is what I'm going to be selling my Black Friday package deal bundle for. You guys need to jump on it. Now another thing is, I only have 4 pink binders for the bundle deal. So what you need to do is you need to grab a bundle deal as soon as 5 p.m. comes, basically, because I only have 4 pink binders in stock. So if I sell my first 4 pink binders, there's only going to be gold left. So you're going to get your bougie on a budget in gold. So try to be one of the first people to catch the Black Friday bundle deal. So I do have a video showcasing some of the new products that I added to the website that I didn't get to tell you guys about. So I'm going to just insert that video right now so y'all can see the other new stuff that were added to the website. And then you guys need to head on over to the website and enjoy the Black Friday sale. So this right here is a low income mini saving challenge box, and inside this box is we have challenges for the low income. It's save $200. It's 10 times something, it's 3 times something, it's 5 times something, it's 5 times something, 2 times something, 10 times something, etc., etc. The next up we have the nurse bundle, and it's called Nurse Squad. And it's for all my nurses, all my RNs, LPNs, all them nurses, CNAs. This saving challenge bundle is for you. So this is the college student binder. And this binder is for college students. This is the dashboard for it. And then these are the challenges. We have going out. We have groceries. We have emergency, we have linen and laundry, we have hygiene items, and then we have clothing. Along with the binder, I did add a small self-care for college students. So, you know, organize your space, stay hydrated, get plenty of sleep, plan your day, take breaks, stay active, relaxation techniques, fruits and vegetable intake, and check in with your family and friends. For all my coffee lovers, we added a saving challenge for coffee. So you guys can save up for y'all coffee and have y'all money ready. And then next up, we have plastic surgery. So for all my girls who are trying to get the body yaddy yaddy, but y'all just don't have the time for the gym or whatever, and you want to get the plastic surgery, we have the plastic surgery saving challenge bundle. Each icon is $200. This is the long-term savings binder. This is a binder where you save for long-term stuff. These are the challenges that are inside the long-term binder. You have dream car, we have homeowner, we have retirement, we have debt pay down, there's business owner, and we have savings. The long-term saving challenge binder for all my people who want to save or start saving for the long term. Then last but not least, we have the mental health. It's not a saving challenge, it's just a mental health self-care bundle. And this has 4 items just for your mental health and for your self-care. We have a My Self-Care checklist. So as y'all can see, it has the days of the week and it has tasks. So you will try to check off these tasks throughout your week. We have the positivity potion. It's just a list of things just to sprinkle a little positivity around your life or for your life. So it says sprinkle of acceptance, a pinch of luck, a feather of hope, a hint of gratitude, splash of joy, handful of self-love, a sprig of truth, a dash of love. Next up, we have the monthly self-care challenge. So as y'all can see, it has 4 weeks, and basically it has 3 things that you could do for each week. And the last thing that's a part of this bundle is the coping skills mental health challenge. And with this, it do come with a dice. As y'all can see on the side, on the left side is showing you dices. So it comes with 1 dice, and this is the instructions. Roll the dice, and whichever it lands on, perform that act. So if you roll the dice and it lands on 1, practice taking 5 slow breaths. So basically, I decided to come up with this bundle because I do know that the way the world is going these days, honey, we need to keep our mental health intact. We can't budget if we're stressing and we're doing all this, and we, you know, like life is lifing on us. So I decided to come up with the mental health bundle just to help us with some coping skills whenever we're feeling down or whatever, you know. So if you guys are interested, it's all 4 pieces that comes into the mental health bundle and the self-care bundle. There will be free shipping on all orders over $75. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. I hope y'all having a great week and enjoy the sale.